Hi, welcome to VITA, Vital Information for Drug Awareness. This short video will introduce you to the topic of problem definition associated with drug use and will give you an insight into substance misuse. First, we must start with the basics. So, what is a drug and what does it do? In the simplest form, a drug is a substance that changes the way the body functions, mentally, physically, or emotionally. Drugs can come in the forms of medicine, legal and illegal substances, all of which can be harmful when misused. When drugs are misused, it can lead to a dependency or addiction. A drug addiction is an uncontrollable impulse for a drug or drugs, even if it causes harm. Young people are vulnerable to this as they are surrounded by influences all the time, which can be intimidating. The most important thing is to know how drug misuse can affect our bodies and minds. What exactly do they do? When drugs are consumed, the brain is flooded with excess chemicals. This overstimulates the brain and produces messages that tricks the brain's receptors into feeling good. Nearly all drugs target the reward receptors in a young person's brain. These are extremely vulnerable to addiction. This reaction establishes a pattern or habit that can compel a young person to repeat the drug use, which could form an addiction. If a young person becomes reliant on the effects of drugs, the brain gets used to this altered way of feeling. Under the influence, the brain sends signals that makes you feel like you want and need more of the drug to feel good. This becomes a drug dependency. Over time, this harms the brain and can affect decision-making skills, learning, and memory. Knowing the effects, patterns, and trends associated with drug use can help us all to become more aware of the harm it can do to our bodies. Prevention is better than cure, but in some cases, knowing more information can help us to be more conscious of our actions. Congratulations on completing today's lesson. I hope you feel like you now know more about problem definition in relation to substance misuse. For more lessons, please visit the VITA Project website and check out some of the activities you will find in the interactive infographics. Click some QR codes to find these activities.